Alright guys, this is Randy from Essential Maintenance Services again. I want to go over and cover some things that I didn't cover on this the other day. This system is set up, this is a to the point, all you need, nothing more than you need. We need to be able to onboard chemical. We need to be able to meter our chemical. We need to be able to downstream. We need to be able to have a pumping system. So basically we need to be able to put chemical on our vehicle, apply chemical, and then rinse the chemical off. And we need to be able to do that efficiently. So here's a little update on the rest of this system. This is a dual pump proportioner. This is a dual pump setup. Now these are Everflow pumps. They're both 12 volts, so you have to use your imagination here, but the premise works the same. You have your 12 volt system at the top here, so that when you're coming off of here, selecting between either your downstream or your soft wash pumps. When you go to your soft wash pumps, this is your out port coming into. Let me get you a better camera angle here. Coming down to the in port here. Okay, and then this is your out port here. So what happens, you have a dual pump setup. This would be for argument's sake, a high volume 10 plus pump, AR45, 24 volt, whatever you want it to be. It doesn't really matter. It's going to work great because you're going to have high flow, low flow, and all metering capability right here. So people were asking about the transfer block for this system here as to how you get your chemical on. So you come through here. This would be your high flow system, which would be working off your 10 plus system. We're going to go off of that and go to 12 volt for transfer. So you flip these two levers up. Now you have switched your pumps. Now you're running the 12 volt. So everything's off. You plug in, it transfers through, it goes through. This is your transfer block. This first one, these will be true union valves. This will be a 3/4 inch. These will all be 1/2 inch, and they only need to be 1/2 inch because that is just a transfer system. This needs to be 3/4 to give you full flow for all your pumps, whether it be a AR45 or 12 volt. And you're only using one set of hoses for this system. So when it comes out of the output, turn on the ball valve. First one goes to your hose reel. If you are doing a transfer, this one goes to your chemical tank, this one goes to your soap 1, and this one goes to your soap 2. So everything that you need, whether it be a high volume pump, a low volume pump, an easy switch over between the dual pump system, all the metering for it, your bypass, your input, your downstream, everything that you need to do your job is right here. Simplified. It is absolutely cake to work, guys. Very little moving parts, and switching between everything is just, I can't say simple and that covered enough. Hope this has been helpful, guys, and explain a few more things to you. Like I said, these Everflow pumps are left over from last year. I'm making do for them for demo purposes. But if you have just a standard V4 proportioner for a 12 volt, this is where this system shines again. You put an X6 right here, put your 12 volt right here. You only need a standard proportioner to run both of them. I think it's a great design, guys. I think it can be very helpful, very efficient, save you guys a lot of money, because if this system is hooked up to a remote system, being a remote rinse module, then all of this, both pumps, downstream, is all remote controlled, all off the same remote control, all off the same proportioner, and it'll do anything you need to do, whether it be 10 gallons a minute or 5.5 gallons a minute. Hope this has been helpful, guys. Y'all have a great day.